Welcome to Button Review channel. Today we are having a Cambridge Audio amplifier remote control. I generally don't like remote control buttons since they are these wiggly kind of rubber things that doesn't give really good feedback if you have pressed the buttons or not, but let's see how it goes with this one. Okay, as I expected, no real feedback if I have pressed the button just enough, or is it all the way down, and I don't like that at all. The other thing is these wiggly kind of rubbery things, not as bad as some other remote controls, but I still dislike these, and I would rate 1 out of 5. See you on next video.